we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of JULEHUI 16oz oil sprayer for cooking, that's include. Thick glass is not breakable. Thickened kitchen oil dispenser bottle weighs 14 ounces, the thick glass is not easily damaged by accidental impact. 2-in-1 oil sprayer. With 2 convenient use modes of spraying and pouring oil, delivering a wide angle, fine mist with quick presses and a steady stream with slow presses. This precise design ensures consistent coverage and control over your oil usage. Large 16 ounces capacity. Oil dispenser bottle has a large 16 ounces capacity for less frequent refilling and a 2-inch diameter bottle opening for easier refilling of cooking oil. Refillable food grade. Crafted from high-quality glass, our cooking oil sprayer is safe, non-toxic, and odor-free. It can withstand high temperatures, ensuring safe and healthy cooking and meal preparation. Widely used, oil dispenser can not only be applied to olive oil, but also widely used for filling avocado oil, soy sauce, coconut oil, corn oil, vinegar, and so on. Widely used in baking, cooking, oven, air fryer. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.